These are the new Orvis ultralight wading boots. They're the lightest wading boot in their class, which means they're the lightest true wading boot. Now they have a lot of great features. For one thing, they're light. So if you're walking long distances, you're gonna save yourself a lot of energy by having a lighter boot. They're also lighter for packing. They dry very, very quickly. They dry quicker than any other wading boot. And the sole on these boots is a new grippy compound and also a new tread pattern. The tread pattern has sharp edges for gripping the bottom, for gripping muddy banks, but they also have a self-cleaning feature that allows the mud to come off the boots as you're walking. They also have an integrated insole. In other words, the insole is part of the boot. And the reason we did that in these boots is because sometimes you get sand and gravel underneath that separate insole, whereas these, if you get any sand or gravel, you just take the boot off, rinse it out, and you don't have to worry about anything under the insole, and the insoles are super comfortable. They're super light, super comfortable, very secure. You can wear them as a wading boot, as I am now with waders, or you can wear them as a wet wading boot if you need a little bit more support than a standard wet wading boot or sandal or whatever you might wear wet wading. These are a less expensive boot than some of the other boots available. So if you're on a budget, you need to save weight, you want a great pair of boots for hiking long distances, the ultralight boots are the way to go.
I thought it down for my hero.